Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to set up an employee training tracker in Airtable for 2025. Start by opening Airtable and creating a new base. You'll want to select Start from Scratch for the most customization. This step is key as it's our foundation, the blank canvas where we'll design our tracker. Now that we've done that, let's start building. First, rename the default table to Employees. Then add fields for name, position, training completed, and training due. The reason we do this is to help us keep track of each employee's training status. Next up, let's create a second table and call it Training. Here, add fields like training name, requirement, and completion status. This helps us because it allows us to list all the different trainings your employees need to complete. Now, here's the exciting part. Now we're going to link these two tables. In the Employees table, add a new field and call it Trainings. Choose Link to another record and select the Training table. This is crucial because it lets us connect each employee to their respective trainings. Let me explain why this matters. When you update the training status in the Training table, it will automatically update in the Employees table too, saving you time and reducing errors. Finally, let's create a view. Views are like saved filters that allow you to see specific data. Create a view in the Employees table to see who has upcoming trainings. This is important because it lets you quickly identify who needs to be scheduled for training. And there you have it. You've just set up an employee training tracker in Airtable. Remember, this tool is flexible, so feel free to tweak and adjust it to fit your unique needs. Thanks for joining us today, and happy tracking.